will show you a magic today. Once I'm going to enter the brand name, product and services, target audience, platform and campaign theme, instantly and in real time, this creative will be generated related to the same details which we have entered. So as you can see, I've entered the brand name as Prime Properties and the campaign theme is Dream Home Campaign. And I want to post this creative on Facebook, and this creative is generated within seconds and in real time. So let's open this, and as you can see that this is the creative which is generated. It is of Prime Properties, and not only this, it is also matching the theme which says live your dream home. So yes, you can see that this is the amazing automation which we're going to create in today's video. So like you, I also used to create the creatives manually, but now I've used this automation to instantly generate all of these. So let's say I'm going to enter another details, and within seconds and in real time the creatives will be generated. And you know what I have to do? I just have to sit back and relax, and all of this is going to happen in background. Once the automation is created, you just have to enter your details and instantly the creatives are going to be generated like this. So as you can see, I've generated one more creative for a gym, and as you can see, all the details are exactly the same which we entered right over here. So let's learn how to create this amazing automation which can generate 100 plus social media creatives in seconds and using AI. And you can try this automation for free today. For that, you just have to follow me till the end. So to create this automation, open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can generate up to 100 of creatives for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. How can you use this discount coupon code? You have to go on this buy now, enter your details, enter the card details, click on this have a coupon and simply enter this discount coupon code which is RITYT. Click on this apply, and this discount coupon code can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. If you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this discount coupon code. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now what you have to do is you just have to copy this webhook URL and follow me. Open your Google Sheets. First of all, let's just clear all the generated creatives. We're going to start fresh. Alright. Now after you open your Google Sheets, go on this extensions, add-ons, and then go towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this extension right over here. As you can see, I have already installed this extension. You have to install this extension and then refresh this spreadsheet. It is very important that you refresh the spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, you just have to paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter your trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is E, but for you, it can be anything else too. So the trigger column will be your final final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So over here, I want to send 5 details. So my trigger column is E. If you want to send 4 details, your trigger column will be D. If you want to send 3 details, it will be C, and so on. So you have to enter the trigger column according to your own spreadsheet. Then click on this submit, and it is going to say setup configured successfully. We have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So now in order to capture this webhook response, you have to click on this send test. Once we click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So it has sent this first row towards my workflow. So let's open our workflow, and as you can see, Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to generate the creative for the same. So let's move on further. In order to generate this creative, we're going to use Google Gemini. You can use OpenAI too. It totally depends upon you. You have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini, and now you can see Google AI Studio. So I'm going to select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as generate and edit image nano banana, and click on this connect. Once again, if you've already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me once again, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. After you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, go on this Get API Key section. After you come on this Get API Key section, click on this Create API Key. Now you have to type your key, select the project, and click on this Create Key button. Your key will be created. And once your key is created, just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this key, click on this Save, and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, select the model as Nano Banana. I'm going to select it as Nano Banana 2. You can select any another of your choice. Now for the method, select it as generate content. For the prompt, enter the prompt. So I'm going to use this prompt which I've used in my previous workflow. I'm just going to copy and paste this prompt. So this is the prompt which says you are a creative designer. As you can see, first I'm just going to show you the prompt. It is saying you are a professional social media creative designer. Generate a high quality social media creative image. The brand name, product, and the rest of the details we're going to mention. This is the guideline, and this is the image style and the output. Okay, so now if you also want this prompt, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and get the prompt from there. I am just going to correct the formatting first right over here and then move on further, and we're going to then enter the details. Alright, so let's just correct the formatting, and I'm going to see one by one. I'm going to enter all the details right over here, but over here is a hack that we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. After this, let's move on further. It is saying uploaded file URL and image URLs. If you want to edit some file, you have to use this fields. Otherwise, leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, based on the prompt and the details which we have entered, it is going to generate me the creative. It is going to take few seconds, so let's just wait for few seconds till it is generating the creative. And once the creative is going to be generated, we're going to first check it. So as you can see, we have received the response that the creative is generated. Over here we have received this file URL. So just copy this file URL and open it in a new tab and check that according to the prompt the creative is correct or not. So now you can see that this is the creative and it's 100% correct. I like it. All the details are same. So let's just add it in our Google Sheets. So we have to close this and let's move on further and click on this add new action step. For the action application, select Google Sheets once again. For the event, this time you have to select it as update cell value. Click on this connect. We have recently connected our Google Sheets, so go on the select existing connection and then save, and your Google Sheets will be connected. After creating this connection, select the spreadsheet in which you want to add this image, which is the creative. Select the sheet and enter the range and the value. So what is this range? So enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. So this is the range which needs to be updated, which is F2. So let's enter F2. But right now it is F2, but with every new response it is going to change. It will be F3, F4, F5, F6 and so on. But you can see that this F is going to remain constant. Only the row will change. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep this F as constant and and then map the row. So put a slash and search for the row and map the row, because F is same, only the row will change, right? So that's the reason we have done this. Now for the value, just put a slash and then map the file URL which Gemini generated. Click on the save and send test request. We have received the positive response. So let's open our Google Sheets and it's added right over here. Now this automation is created, but how is it going to run in real time? For that you have to open your spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. If you do not switch on this button, this workflow is not going to run in real time. This is an important hack and you've watched this video till the end, so you have to learn this, that you have to switch on this button so that this workflow can run in real time. Now whenever you're going to enter all of these details, so let's say I'm just going to enter all of these details once again, be the brand name, product or service, target audience, platform and campaign theme, then instantly the creative will be generated, because our trigger column was E, and when we enter the details on this trigger column, the details will be sent towards our workflow, and then automatically the creative will be generated and added right over here without any manual intervention. You just have to enter these details. And further, what you can do is you can also add a column right over here of accept and reject. So as you can see, the creative is generated and this is the creative. Such a good creative. So now go try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.